like a new video. Probably about 100 foot out in the ocean right about now. And the camera's still working good. But it's supposed to be waterproof, so I guess it should be. There's our motel. Holiday Sands North. Well, on the south side, but it's called Holiday Sands North. And looks like Megan's getting washed to sea somewhere. There she is. God, I hope I don't drop this thing. That would suck. Yeah. Bird. Dang, that is a big bird. Watch that. That was awesome. Did you get a fish? It did, I think. No. No, it's looking. No, it did. Swallowed it. That was awesome. I got that on camera. That was awesome. Pelican? Is that what that's called? Pelican? I don't know. There's a sailboat. Oh, there it goes again. Looking for some supper. Oh, another one just did it. Another one just did it way out in the ocean out there. Not real far, but out yonder. Cool if when we go watch this later, you can actually see it. It's so murky. Maybe. That is awesome though, isn't it? The best thing in the ocean. Who'd have thought? Hope I don't drop it. Yeah. Well, there's a big one. That was a good one. How you doing? Huh? So much fun. I could live here. Well, I guess that'd take all the fun out of vacationing. Then again, any motocross track's a vacation. guess I wouldn't mind living here. Oh, wait.
Do what?
Help me a weight. Wish I had a boogie board. That'd be really cool. Put this thing on the front of it. Boogie board. You know? Kelly knows what I'm talking about. PBBA stuff. Yeah. Megan's weird. What was that? Salt water tastes like salt water. Oh, I just remembered I didn't put the waterproof door on here. No, I didn't. This is they got the hole in the back. Look. Going under. This is so nice to have goggles on. Like I don't have to close my eyes or nothing. You don't wear them? It keeps it from doing that too. You sure you don't want to wear them? Good, because I'm talking.